Most people get this wrong and think they can directly transfer a vanilla gift card balance into their bank account like a normal bank transfer. But here's the truth no one tells you. Vanilla gift cards are not designed for direct bank withdrawals, and that's where most confusion starts. In this video, you'll learn what actually works in 2026 to move your vanilla gift card value into usable money safely and realistically, without wasting time on methods that don't work. Let's start with the most important fact. Vanilla gift cards are prepaid cards, not bank accounts. That means you cannot simply click, transfer to bank, and move the money. If you see websites or videos promising that, be careful, because most of them are misleading or outdated. But here's the problem. Even though direct transfer is not possible, you still have legitimate ways to convert the balance into usable funds. You just need to follow the correct process. Now here's where it gets interesting. The most common method is linking your vanilla gift card to payment platforms that accept prepaid cards. For example, you can sometimes add the card to services like PayPal or similar digital wallets, depending on regional support. Once added, you can use it for purchases or send payments where allowed. Think of someone like Alex trying to turn his gift card into cash. He can't send it to his bank directly, but he can use it to pay for things he normally buys, which effectively frees up his bank money for other uses. Another method is using the card for everyday purchases. This is the safest and most widely accepted option. Instead of trying to convert it into cash, use it for groceries, online shopping, or bills where prepaid cards are accepted. This indirectly saves your bank balance. Now, a very important warning. Many so-called instant transfer websites are scams. They ask for your full card details and promise to send money to your bank, but they often steal your balance instead. So always stick to official and trusted platforms. Also remember, some users try to buy money orders or prepaid reloads to convert value, but those methods depend heavily on location rules and may not always work. To wrap it up, you cannot directly transfer a vanilla gift card balance to a bank in 2026. The real solution is to use it through accepted payment platforms, or spend it on everyday purchases to free up your cash. If this helped, like the video, comment your situation, and subscribe for more clear and honest guides that actually save you time and money.